Hi there. Yeah, Richard Fontenay here. Welcome back to Explorations from the Fontenay magazine, and this time a review of the affiliate directive. Now, some of you may not know me. For over 35 years, I ran a bricks and mortar consulting and training firm called the Fontenay Associates Consulting Services Incorporated. Now I'm an internet marketer, a blogger, a coach, a product developer, and owner of several websites. I'm dedicated really to helping people become the best that they can be through personal growth and development. Now, if you're so inclined, click on the subscribe button below and give a thumbs up and make a comment or two about this video. Thank you in advance. And now, let's get on with the review of the affiliate directive. In a nutshell, the affiliate directive is a clear, step-by-step, over-the-shoulder training program created by one of the top affiliate marketers, Trevor Carr, and gives newcomers a way to make consistent money online fast and easily. Now, before we get started, let's explore some of my bonuses for the affiliate directive. The first bonus is a 1-year free Fortis membership. The Fortis membership includes over 100 videos, 30 ebooks, numerous infographics, plus several training and masterclass programs and more, covering 8 dimensions of personal growth and development. Such things as physical health, mental health, emotional health, spiritual health, intellectual well-being, vocational well-being, financial well-being, and social well-being. And the resources to the Fortis membership are added on a monthly basis. A tremendous value here. The second bonus is the cause and cures of home office business stress. This is a popular ebook that explores 6 major stressors from operating a business from home, and there are 6 remedies. And it covers topics relating to relationships, family, workstation, shifting priorities, and filling administrative shortfalls, and more. You'll also receive from the FAXI Academy any course that you choose from over 180 courses within the Academy itself. Now, the FAXI Academy covers courses in the internet marketing niche, health and wellness, social media, skills for success, business development, and much more. And finally, you'll also receive the Personal Branding Blueprint, which is an educational and informational guide to strengthening your branding practices. And it covers topics such as the what and the why of personal branding, the steps to creating your own branding strategy, the keys to credible personal brand, and covers other topics such as social media and personal branding and the importance of personal branding. You'll also receive with this a mind map, a resource cheat sheet, a checklist, and a personal use license. So all in all, a rather strong bonus for you. Now, just who is Trevor Carr? Well, from my perspective, he's one of the best internet marketers I know. A man of integrity, a friend, and my mentor. Someone who has been there at the bottom. He's been broke, in debt, bills as high as his eyeballs, stressed and unhappy. He also experienced the trap of the shiny object syndrome. And what Trevor did was find a way out, and now he teaches others how to become an internet marketer and how to make it online. And in this course, he shows you how he began and how he began to dig himself out of the hole that he was in to a six-figure income. But more importantly, what he's doing here is showing you how he began to sort of dig himself out through affiliate commissions. And those affiliate commissions grew to $8,000 per week. Now, the affiliate directive provides you with everything you need to know about in order to succeed in gaining affiliate commissions. He shows you how to use what is available to you to succeed without laying out a bunch of money. The affiliate directive really uses free tools and free traffic, which you can access almost anywhere in the world. And everything you need to know in order to copy and paste is included inside the affiliate directive members area. And now, what is really good about the affiliate directive is that Trevor explains how to gain affiliate commissions in a way that everyone can follow. He offers the straight goods that worked for him, and if you follow his training, it will work for you too. Now, let's take a quick peek at the sales page and the members area. Okay, we're in the sales page, and you can see the headline. They thought it was all a big scam until I showed them my affiliate account. The simple secret system that made me $12,119 in 1 week. And what really this is about is not only are you gaining a commission of $8,332 or $8,032 in affiliate commissions, but also he received over $4,000 in prizes in just 7 days. Now, the sales page is a typical sales page, but what I like about this sales page is that Trevor is a very honest person, and he is very clear about his experiences that he had prior to moving into the affiliate marketing business. And he shows you right from the beginning what he has been able to do with that particular program. And indicating that when you get it right, it's not just about affiliate commissions, but it's also about the prize money that he also received because of that. He shows the day in which he actually thought things would be okay now, and he was walking with his wonderful lab. And I'll let you go through the sales page, but it is quite remarkable about how he tried just about everything before he started to make money online. And you can see this whole component that right now, he just withdrew $21,000 in December. Right into his bank account. No slouch this Trevor guy is. Now, in the members area, it is straightforward. He welcomes you. Trevor welcomes you into the program, and gives you some insight about how to navigate the membership. He provides an introduction to the program. He explains everything about marketing, affiliate marketing, shows how it works and how it worked for him, the hurdles that you will meet along the way, and the options that you have. He introduces the various platforms, such as Warrior Plus and JVZoo and ClickBank. And he'll spend a lot of time on Warrior Plus because that was a fundamental program in which he gained an awful lot of income. He then goes into the core of the training, which is really right here, in terms of getting yourself prepared for the program, and talks an awful lot about how you can do that in terms of preparing a YouTube channel, a Google account, the kind of equipment you would need, the type of autoresponder that works well in the preparation phase of getting into affiliate marketing. He explores your first audience. It provides the basic steps to do that, and your next steps to move forward, and how to review your traffic. All of this done in a very step-by-step, over-the-shoulder way. And finally, he recaps and gives you homework to do. He always gives homework to do, and that's how you learn. And that is an extremely important process, because what you take in the training, you apply in your life. And then he talks about scaling up to $10,000 per month, and you can do that through another program that he has called Breakthrough. And he's giving you a very, it's critically important that you listen to this, because the cost for that program is going up on July the 1st, or January the 1st, I should say. So act now if you want to get into the Breakthrough program. Tremendous program. He'll also provide some bonus training for you. And then if you want to advance to the OTO1 and the OTO2, etc., you can do that. So that's the program. First class training program on gaining affiliate commissions. So how much does the affiliate directive cost? Well, the front end is $12.95. And if you wait for the exit pop, you will receive a $5 discount. OTO1, which at $47, is a done-for-you OTO, and includes how-to videos, a review cheat sheet, a review slide presentation, a YouTube description template, bonus bundles, docs, and bonuses. A tremendous value for $47. OTO2 is at $67, and here there's advanced training on the Super Affiliate Directive, and Trevor uncovers the secret uncover buyer list hack and the secret agent commission accelerator. OTO3 is at $67 as well, and that's a case study on how he gained $8,000 in 7 days. OTO4 is at $37, and it's a 21 VIP coaching program where Trevor uncovers what he would do if he had to start from scratch. And OTO5 is at $97, where you would receive a 100% commission bump on the affiliate directive. My bonuses again for purchasing through me the affiliate directive. A 1-year free Fortress membership, which includes over 100 videos and ebooks and infographics and training masterclasses and more. You'll receive the Home Office Business Stress, the cause and its cures, a way in which explores the 6 remedies and the 6 stressors of working from home. You will also receive a free training program from over 180 courses within the FAXI Academy. And you will receive the personal branding blueprint, including personal mind maps, resource cheat sheets, checklists, and a personal use license. So I encourage you to click on the affiliate directive below this video to learn more details, and make sure you take advantage of the affiliate directive if you find it's a good fit for you. I don't believe you would be disappointed. And oh yes, Trevor also talks about Crack the Code Breakthrough Program, a fantastic program that I have attended, and I am a founding member of this particular program. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more explorations and reviews from the magazine. Click the affiliate directive link below, and take care, stay safe, and be well. Talk to you again next time with another product review.